Hey guys, this is a Throwback Thursday video here on JQ on the Go, and this video will be consisting of my 2003 Audi Allroad 2.7T. I had this car for a little bit. It was my first car that I had, and this is just going to be a bunch of different pictures of the car throughout my ownership. So hope you enjoy. A little slideshow down memory lane. So I'm just going to talk over some of the pictures. So you can see here, these are some of the photos of when I first saw the car in the guy's driveway before I bought it. You saw the for sale sign in the window. And then this is myself and my sister on and next to the car. We were super excited and we were actually supposed to share this car, but we really never got to do that. I'm going to talk about that in another video, so make sure to click on the card above. So here are some pictures of the Audi in my high school parking lot. My car family grew from my buddy Anthony's car, that red SUV there, to Connor getting a Mercedes right there, and then Connor taking out his parents' Prius when he first got his license. Those were some momentous occasions, and it was definitely a highlight of my high school career, having all my buddies driving around with me. One thing I'm going to touch on when I talk about my experience with the Audi, the Quattro all-wheel drive system and that air ride suspension right there absolutely made this car a monster through any type of weather condition. And New York really throws all four seasons at you, so it was really nice to have such a confident daily driver. And as well, in these couple of shots, I took the Audi off-road. I wanted to get a little bit of mud up in the car because it was pretty much a pavement princess when I had it. So if I find any of those videos, I'll make sure to post them as well. So you can see here, the Audi is still a little bit muddy. And now it's sitting in a parking lot at Pep Boys, and I felt so bad because the whole underbody of the car was just caked in mud from that little off-roading adventure I did. And then the poor guy at Pep Boys had to do an oil change and touch all that mud. And now here, the Audi has a couple of glamour shots at the beach, and then right after, I got it all nice and waxed up. I drove this car around for over 8 months, so if you have any questions pertaining to this Audi Allroad or Audi Allroads in general, make sure you comment below. Make sure to check out the channel for other videos like this, and as always, I really hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.